Army, welcome to my channel and welcome to sa US. Ano ba yan? Ang tamlay mo mag-intro. Si Mayor Joy Del Monte. Ha? Hanggang dito, mabot. Ayan, so tinry namin hindi matulog sa plane. Ako, nag-succeed ako.
Nag-succeed din ako.
Nag-succeed siya humilik.
Nag-succeed akong matulog.
Oo. Para ma-cure namin. Cure? Sakit yung yung jet lag. Hindi. Well, technically permanently jet lag naman na ako. So sanay na ako na late natutulog talaga. At gulong-gulo na rin yung katawan ko kung saan time zone ba talaga ako nakatira. So we just got to our Airbnb. Just give you a quick tour. Ayan, so we're checking out our Airbnb and pupunta na kami ng airport en route to Arizona. Yun talaga yung pakay namin kung ba't kami nagpunta dito. That's our main goal, is to support Luisa. Hi guys!
Hello. Kasi nga ayoko naman.
Touchdown, Phoenix, AZ. Kainis.
Parang boy ni Jockey.
Maganda ka lang pero minsan nakakainis ka rin.
Sa labas. Sa
America's friendliest airport daw to, sabi ng announcement dito sa Phoenix, Arizona. Anyway, another state crossed out sa 50 states ng USA. 51 if you're counting the UFO state. Air 51.
Hi guys, I'm so tired. I just
Pagoda.
so sorry. Daddy!
alam mo, maglalaban-laban sila 40 pero dahil mana yan sa akin magaling magsayaw.
Paano ba magsayaw talaga? Ayan. Ganun.
Ulo-ulo lang.
Ayan, so dito nagsistay si Luisa sa Camelback sa Arizona Grand Resort and Spa. So, Camelback sa kabila, to back. Camelback to back. It is day 2 here in Arizona and house tour tayo ng aming Airbnb. Naman. So, dito muna tayo sa exterior. Very typical American home na meron silang backyard, meron porch. Porch! Saan dyan yung beans? Porch and beans. Ayan. May griller doon. Oh, may fireplace dito. Although hindi naman kailangan kasi sobrang init po ngayon. Ayan. Iba init ngayon. Ang temperature ngayon sa Phoenix umaabot ng, they live up to their name. Init, 40 plus degrees. So since it's gonna be like a 4-hour to 5-hour drive to Antelope, we're gonna do a quick stop for coffee. Dito sa grocery nila merong Starbucks, luckily. Lapit na kami. After ilang hours kuya? After so many hours. Hi guys! Pay pa ba kayo dyan? We're here and we're late actually, and we're hoping na maasikaso pa rin tayo. Hoping lang. Sayang yung binyahe natin, diba? Kung di man tayo payagan dito, meron pa tayo isang pupuntahan destination. So from Antelope, we might go to Horseshoe Bend. Ayan, so in-accommodate kami and kailangan lang natin bumalik in another hour. So, iba kasi yung oras, yung mountain time or MDT. It's like daylight saving time, Pero after ng daylight saving time, MDT na. So I think ito yung sasakyan natin. Ayan o. This van. So, yeah, we're in time. We're 20 minutes early. Better early than late, of course. Ready, kahit mainit, kahit parang binubuguhan tayo ng, alam mo yung hangin sa exhaust. Ganun. Dry heat, dry heat. Malubak daw pababa. Ayan. So pababa tayo 15 minutes papunta dun sa entrance ng canyon. Mamalasin ka nga naman, may shooter daw. Tapos, I think, hindi alam kung if he's still on the loose or nahuli na. So for safety, sinara muna yung Grand Canyon. So dito lang muna tayo sa bus. Enjoy the view. So wala talaga. May dahil doon sa active shooter na yun. Grabe, nasa desierto ka na nga, Nasa desierto ka na nga. Meron pa rin namamaril. Ano na?
Hindi ba sa Manhattan meron ngayon? Manhattan, sa New York.
Ba't ang dami namamaril? Ginugulo niya yung namin. Mga plano namin sa buhay. Ayan, so na legit status kami. Legit, hindi na kayo makakapasok ng Grand Canyon. Ay, ng Grand Canyon, ng, ano pangalan yun? Antelope. Ng Antelope. Siya po yung taga-ano namin.
I'm the ang tawag niya? Sacrificial lamb. So, we're in Rosary today. And we're buying ingredients for our Filipino lunch for tomorrow.
Ayan, day 3 here in Phoenix and it's game day. Game day?
Let's go for the gold!
Got our bands for today and tomorrow and then we also have our ID na.
During this moment, first of all, I know you all catch your breath. What am I
That was legitness!
Luisa! Congrats, bebe! Yeah, mga tens na tens, Tens na tens.
With a .05 deduction. Currently in 5th place, also on the way to the semifinals, is 4DK Philippines.
It's a win pa rin, Philippines pa rin nanalo eh. At tawagin ni legit, malapit na yan. Baka nga number 1 pa.
Mega Crew Division. They scored 6.93. Let's bring back legit Philippines. Legit status of the Philippines. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so there you have it. Once again, we have Ill Habits, 43rd Philippines, and the two stars of the Philippines.
So,
Yung pinaka dito, maliwanag. Ano ka?
hindi ko nakunan pero nilagay ko na yung gabi.
Sarap.
Vinegar. So we're back for day 2 semifinals. We're going to finals! Finals! Here we go! Let's go, Philippines! Everyone's celebrating right now. Happy for their win, but I think we're the happiest because we got the top spot. We're ready, we have our IDs for the World Hip Hop Dance Championships.
Let's go!
When you purchase the tickets, you have an option para bilhin yung finals or hindi, di ba? So, binili na talaga yung finals, minanifest na talaga natin. And it really happened. Pasok tayo sa finals and sa semis, we're at the top spot. Grabe init, guys. Hindi naman kami in-inform na malapit pala sa equator to. Grabe init. Parang pag binuksan mo yung oven, yung unang singaw na gano'n. Pero mas nagiinit yung support namin for legit status. Ah, gusto mo yung segue na yan. Grabe, ramdam mo yung energy pagpasok pa lang.
And finally, getting
one
to the
more
finish
room and then legit
line.
status.
That's a walk-in. Representing the Philippines and ending the Mega Crew Division. It makes a noise for legit status.
And a performance score of 3.46 for a total score of 7.45. The gold medal in the Mega Crew division goes to Legit Status, representing Philippines.
Congrats!
Oh my God, best in the world!